Caffeine is a naturally occurring stimulant that is found in many plants, including coffee and tea. It is a methylxanthine alkaloid, a type of chemical compound that acts as a natural pesticide for the plants that produce it. Scientists have discovered that caffeine can paralyze and even kill various insects that consume it. The use of caffeine as a pesticide is thought to have evolved as a defense mechanism for plants, allowing them to protect themselves from herbivores and other pests. Caffeine acts on the nervous system of insects, disrupting their ability to move and feed. It can also affect their digestion, reproduction, and other physiological processes. The effects of caffeine on insects vary depending on the species, the dose, and the stage of development. For example, caffeine is more toxic to some species of caterpillars than to others, and it is more effective against adult insects than against their larvae. It's worth mentioning that caffeine's effects on insects are not limited to paralysis and death, it also affects their behavior. Some studies showed that caffeine can disrupt the mating and reproduction of some insects, and also affects the behavior of pollinators like bees, which are essential for the reproduction of many plants. Caffeine is not only found in coffee and tea, but also in chocolate, certain medications, and energy drinks. While caffeine can have beneficial effects for humans, such as increasing alertness and reducing fatigue, consuming too much caffeine can lead to negative side effects such as anxiety, insomnia, and high blood pressure. Caffeine is a naturally occurring stimulant that is found in various plants, such as coffee and tea, as a defense mechanism against herbivores and other pests. It is a methylxanthine alkaloid, a type of chemical compound, that acts as a natural pesticide. Scientists have discovered that caffeine has the ability to paralyze and even kill insects that consume it, as it acts on their nervous system and disrupts their ability to move, feed, and perform other physiological processes. The effects of caffeine on insects depend on the species, dose, and stage of development. Some species of caterpillars are more susceptible to caffeine toxicity than others, and caffeine is more effective against adult insects rather than larvae. Moreover, caffeine can affect the behavior of insects, such as disrupting their mating and reproduction, and also impacting pollinators like bees, which play an important role in plant reproduction. Aside from coffee and tea, caffeine is also found in chocolate, certain medications, and energy drinks. While caffeine has several benefits for humans, including increased alertness and reduced fatigue, excessive consumption of caffeine can lead to negative side effects such as anxiety, insomnia, and elevated blood pressure.